Welcome. In this video, we'll practice CELPIP Speaking Task 8, describing an unusual situation, with 5 sample questions and model answers. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Okay, you have to hear this. My neighbor has moved his entire living room out onto the front lawn. I'm not exaggerating. There's a full sofa, a floor lamp, a coffee table, and even a rug laid out right on the grass. He's sitting there in his plaid pajamas and slippers, sipping a coffee, with his orange cat curled up on the armrest beside him. And here's the best part. He's actually watching television. There's a real TV set up on a stand, and he's run a long extension cord all the way across the yard and up the steps into the house to power it. There's even a bowl of popcorn on the table. I have no idea if he's locked out or just wanted a change of scenery, but he looks completely relaxed, like this is the most normal thing in the world. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. You will not believe what's happening on my neighbor's garage. There is a full, fancy dinner party set up on the flat roof. A couple is up there dressed to the nines. He's in a black tuxedo and bow tie, and she's in a long evening gown, sitting at a little table with a white tablecloth. They've got a candelabra, wine glasses, the whole works. Someone has even rigged up a chandelier on a wooden pole so it hangs right over the table. And get this, there's a guy in a suit standing beside them playing the violin. The only way up there seems to be a ladder leaning against the side of the garage. I honestly can't tell if it's an anniversary, a proposal, or just a very extravagant date night. But it looks like something out of a movie, way up in the air. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. So my neighbors are building an enormous sailboat, and here's the strange part. We're nowhere near any water. It's a huge wooden boat propped up on wooden stands right in the middle of their little backyard. One guy is at the very top of a tall ladder rigging the mast, while a woman in overalls is sanding the hull, and another person is painting the side a deep blue. They've got paint cans and brushes spread across a workbench and drop cloths all over the grass. The funniest touch is a little kid's paddling pool sitting next to it with a garden hose, as if that's where they plan to launch it. I mean, the nearest lake has to be an hour away. It must have taken them months, and I honestly have no clue how they'll ever get it out of that fenced yard. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. Okay, this is one of the strangest things I've seen all summer. My neighbors are having a full-on snow day, except it's the middle of July, and it's absolutely gorgeous out. The trees are green, the sky is blue, and yet the whole family is bundled up in heavy winter coats, toques, scarves, and mittens. They've somehow covered part of the lawn in white, and they're building a snowman, complete with a carrot nose, stick arms, a striped hat, and a scarf. The adults are even having a snowball fight, though if you look closely, the snowballs look a lot more like white balloons. There's a wooden sled parked on the green grass. I don't know if it's a birthday theme or they just really miss winter, but watching people in full parkas play in the sunshine is honestly hilarious. Begin speaking now. Your time is up. Here is a model answer. You have got to see what's going on in the park this morning. There's a group of adults doing a synchronized yoga class, but every single one of them is wearing a full animal onesie costume. I'm serious. There's a green dinosaur, a white rabbit, a gray shark, and the one leading the class is dressed as a big brown bear, blowing a whistle to keep everyone in time. They're all holding the exact same pose on their yoga mats, arms stretched out, totally focused, like it's the most serious workout in the world. The sun is just coming up behind the skyline, so it's this beautiful, calm morning. And then there's a dinosaur doing lunges. Even a jogger stopped dead in her tracks, and her little dog looks completely confused. I really wish I'd brought my phone to record it. That is the end of this practice video. Want to keep improving? Practice with over 4,500 real, interactive CELPIP questions and get instant scoring and AI feedback on every response at celpora.com.